Kasi you can do more and magagawa mo lang yun if you're calling the shots. So kung ikaw mismo yung may-ari na sarili mong negosyo, you can make your ideas come alive. You can go wild. Bibigyan mo lang ng oras tsaka panahon. And siguro resources din. And I think kung ano man yung ini-envision mo sa sarili mo in the future, magagawa mo siya ng mas madali mo siya magagawa kung magbi-business ka. Siguro monetary, mas control mo yung pera mo. Kasi unang-una, ikaw magdidictate kung sino yung gusto mong clients and kung gaano karami. So it equates to income. And then at the same time, yung gastos mo rin, ikaw rin magdidictate. Mahirap magnegosyo. Hindi siya madali. I think pag ninegosyo is mas marami siyang kailangang oras versus sa pagtatrabaho. Pero I think the higher the risk, the higher the reward. So the more effort and time you put on it, malaki rin yung magiging mo in the long run. What type of inks to use, what type of kung meron kang gustong output, ano yung technique na gagamitin mo, ano yung equipment na gagamitin mo. And at the same time, I think napaka-inspiring din yung presentation ni boss kanina. Rarely tayo makarinig backstories, yung kung paano na sila nag-succeed. Pero hindi natin narinig kung gaano kahirap yung dinanas nila bago nila marating yung kung saan sila makakapunta. So ayun, so I think it was very informative, it was very inspiring, and at the same time, I would also recommend it to some of my friends and colleagues. Uniprint, a printing business for everyone.